Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation which falls under the frequency of visible radiation. It is the only part of electromagnetic spectrum which is perceived by human eye. White light is polychromatic, comprising of 7 colors, VIBGYO, in increasing order of wavelength. Human eye is roughly a spherical body situated in the orbit formed by bones in the skull. Human eye is protected by 2 eyelids. Sclera is the outermost layer of human eye which forms posterior 5/6 of opaque part and external fibrous tunic of the eyeball. Cornea is a transparent avascular structure formed 1/6 of interior part of eyeball. Conjunctiva, it is transparent mucous membrane which is formed above cornea and lenses in posterior surface of eyelids and anterior surface of eyeballs. Now let us see cornea in much detail. Iris. It is a dark muscular diaphragm between the cornea and the lens. It controls the size of pupil. It is the color of the iris that we call as the color of the eye. Pupil. It is a small hole between the iris through which light enters the eye. In dim light it opens up completely due to expansion of eye muscles, but in bright light it becomes very small due to contraction of eye muscles. Ciliary muscles. They hold in the lens in position and help in modifying the curvature of lens. Now let us see about iris in a detailed way. Retina. It is the light sensitive surface of the eye on which image is formed. It contains light sensitive cells known as rods and cones. Rod cells respond to the intensity of light and cone cells respond to illumination of light, that is primary colors. Number of rod cells is greater than number of cone cells. These cells generate signals which are transmitted to the brain through optic nerve. Optic nerve. It transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. Blind spot. It is point at which the optic nerve leaves an eye. It contains no rods and cones, so an image formed at this point is not sent to the brain. Now let's sum up what we studied till now. Cornea. It is a transparent bulged out spherical membrane covering the front of the eye. Light enters the eye through this membrane. Iris. It is a dark muscular diaphragm between the cornea and the lens. It controls the size of the pupil. Pupil. It is a small hole between the iris through which light enters the eye. Ciliary muscles. They hold the lens in position and help in modifying the curvature of eye lens. Retina. It is the light-sensitive surface of the eye on which image is formed. It contains light-sensitive cells known as rods and cones. And last, optic nerve. It transmits visual information from retina to brain.